Good morning, students. Welcome to our virtual class. So today we again start our new topic. So everybody bring your book and copy both. Everybody bring it. Now open your copy and write the date. Today's date is 17th July 2020. Day Friday. Subject French. Today topic lesson number 13. Last day we are already discussed and complete lesson number 12. So today we start lesson number 13. 11 complete, lesson number 11 complete, lesson number 12 complete, and lesson number 13 today start. So everybody open lesson number 13. Everybody open lesson number 13, page number 32. Everybody open page number 32, lesson number 13. Lesson number 13 are discuss the season of the France. Every European country there are the four seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. So here I discuss the four seasons in the France. When that season start and when the season end, everything are discussed here. And one thing also discussed, that is the second group of verb. We are already discussed the first group verb, that means which verb are ending in year, that is the first group. Here discuss the second group verb. Second group, that means ending in IR. So at first today discuss the second group of French verb. So everybody see the board properly. I have to discuss the second group of verb. Everybody open your book, page number 32, and open your copy. Okay? See the board properly. I write the board, you see the board properly. Which verb ending in IR? That is the second group verb. Which verb ending in IR? That is the second group verb. Like finir, F-I-N-I-R, finir, ending in IR. Rougir, R-O-U-G-I-R, rougir, ending in IR. Guérir, ending in IR. Périr, ending in IR. Accomplir, all the verb ending in IR, that is the second group. So every regular verb have a particular rules. First group have a particular rules, second group have a particular rules. I have to revision one thing. Before start the second group, I have to just revise the first group. First group. First group. Ending in year. Like a parlay. Ending in year. Porte. Ending in year. MA. Ending in year. Okay. Kule. Ending in year. Thousands and lakhs verb which are ending in year, that is the first group verb. And which verb ending in IR, that is the second group verb. First group have a particular rules, second group have a particular rules, third group also have a particular rules. So just today at first I revise the first group, then I start the second group. Okay. I erase it. So I discuss at first group revision. Suppose porte. So ending in year. So at first put the subject, that means je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay. So at first ending omit, and before ending you have to write je tu il, like P-O-R-T, ending omit, 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 P-O-R-T. At first write it. Before year, at first ending cut, then write before year to je tu il. Write it. Then adding E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. E, ESE, ONS, EZENT. At first ending omit, then write before year to je tu il, like PORT to continue je tu il. Sorry. Then adding E, ES, E, ONS, EZENT. That is the first group. This is the first group. Second group. Ending IR, like finir. At first ending omit, write je tu il, je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay. Then ending omit, the verb ending omit. Then write before IR to Z will, like a FIN, ending omit, FIN, then FIN, then FIN, then FIN, then FIN. Okay. Then at first before I had to write Z will, then first group adding E, here you adding IS. Tu adding ES, here also adding IS. Here is adding E in ILAL, here adding IT. Here adding ONS, adding ISSONS. EZ adding ISSEZ. Adding ENT ISSENT. That is the rules of second group. Which verb ending in IR, that follow the rules. Which verb ending in ER, follow these rules. Write it fast. I again repeat, if the verb ending in ER, first group, at first ending omit, then adding E, ES, E, A. Before ER, to write Z will, like PORT, 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 continue to Z will. Then adding E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. That is the rules of ER ending verb, like first group verb. Second group ending IR, like a FIN, FINIR. At first write subject Z will, Z tu will, no will. Then verb ending IR, the ending cut down. Then adding IS, IS, IT. Before IR to Z will, FIN, 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 FIN. Then adding IS, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Okay, write it. So, these two topics you have to practice in your home. I give you some homework. Exercise number 1 is your homework. Homework, exercise number 1. Homework, lesson number 13, page number 33. Exercise number 1 is your homework. Exercise number 1, here is the 3 verb. Okay, here is the 3 verb. Comma se verb, finish. Comma se is the first group verb ending here. Finish is second group verb IR. And fair, this verb you have to show before the page. That means 32 page at the bottom of the page. Here. 32 page here. Fair verb. J'ai fait, tu fais, il fait, nous fait. J'ai fait, tu fais, il fait, nous faisons, vous faisiez. nous faisons, vous faites, ils font. Here I discuss the fair verb. So exercise number 1 is your homework. If you any doubt, any query, no hesitate, just communicate the teacher. I have to tell me. But you have to regular practice in your home in 10 to 15 minutes. Otherwise, you will not understand properly. So today we discuss first group verb revision and second group verb, and I give you some homework. Lesson number 13, page number 33, exercise number 1. 3 verbs, commercial verb, first group, finite verb, second group, fair verb, third group. You have to do in your home. If you not understand, if you have any problem, any doubt, just communicate the teacher. I rectify your problem. But every day you have to practice 10 to 15 minutes. Otherwise, if not understand, nothing to work in this. Next day we discuss in this lesson the season of the year. Okay? Till then, bye bye.